Hi, my name's Chloe Henderson and welcome to coinoperatedpress. Today's video is going to be another zine review, and this time we were contacted through our Discord by Brett, who wanted us to review one of his zines, which he very kindly sent me, which is what's in this little envelope. So instead of just a review, I thought I would unbox it on camera and we can react to it together and discover the zine together. So I have pre-opened the envelope because whenever I try to open something on camera it just goes wrong and I can't open packages properly. So I haven't peeked inside, but I have opened it. So let's unpack the contents together. Ooh, there's a few little bits inside. Let's see. Oh, we've got a nice little sticker. That's cute. I will definitely put that somewhere fun. I like that. And then we have a little... Oh, what are these called? I've totally forgotten the word for what these are called. I want to say cyanotype. Is that right? If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. But it's when you paint down the fluid, I'm not sure what it's called, maybe cyanotype? I don't know, I can't remember. And then you place something on top of it and then expose it to light and it develops into a little photograph like this. Which is what I assume this is. It might not be, I might be totally wrong. Please correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but look how beautiful that is. It's so pretty. Thank you so much for sending me that, Brett. And then a little handwritten note which says, "Hi Chloe, thank you for agreeing to review my zine. I hope you like it. It's my first zine which I've worked on during lockdown. Best wishes, Brett." Oh, thank you so much. So this is the zine. Ta-da! And it's a very stunning cover. What a beautiful photograph. And then I'll show you the back as well, which has got, oh, shiny, which has got all of Brett's details on it. So I will let you pause on that for a moment if you want to copy down any of these details. You can grab a copy of the zine yourself and maybe check out more of his photography. So let's have a little flick through. Oh, stunning. Brett, you're a very talented photographer, that's all I can say. So I think I will pick this as the select page to show you guys. Yes. I don't want to show you everything from the zine because I obviously want you to grab your own copy and check it out. But this, I think, is my favourite page. I particularly like these bubbles of dew, drops of dew on the leaf or stem or whatever that is. I think that's a really beautiful photograph. So I'm not a photographer, I'm a zine maker, so I will review the layout of the zine, how the zine's made, and the zine itself rather than the actual content of the photography, just because I don't know enough about photography to know any of the details to be able to tell you. But the zine itself I can tell you about and we can talk about. So glossy paper, for a start, is a fantastic way to show off your photography. It shows off all of the detail really well and it really highlights the colours. And I think it's the best way to show off your photography. I think if you're using a more matte paper or just your sort of standard paper in inks, you're not necessarily going to get that clarity that you'd get with glossy paper. And again, with the colours, and in this scene there's a lot of really vibrant colours, so I think it's important to go for a glossy paper. So good choice with that one. It's a nice short zine, there are no words inside, it's just photography. And that's maybe the only thing I would criticise. Maybe you'd want just like at the end or at the start just a little bit of information about the photography project, or maybe a little bit of information about why you're into photography, what kind of photography you do, a little bit of information about yourself, like a bio, something like that, or just a little description of the project itself. That would be the only thing that I would say was missing. So maybe for in your next scene you maybe want to include something like that. Just a little bit more information about the photography and about the project itself, because what you can tell from flicking through the zine, it looks like all one collection of photography, so it's all of a natural theme and all macro photography as suggested by the name. This is another page that I really love. Check out that mushroom. Isn't that stunning? And the spider. Gotta love a spider. But yeah, a really well put together zine, really well thought out. I like the way that you've laid out your photography, so there's not just one image on each page, you've laid out really well, and I like the way that it bleeds all the way to the edges, as you can see. There's no borders, and I think that's really nice sometimes with photography. Yeah, you've done a really great job. I think this is a beautiful zine, and thank you so much for sending it to us for a review. I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and I'd love to encourage everybody who's watching to check out all the links in the description down below. I will drop all of these details down in the description, and I will leave a link to Brett's shop as well, and you can check it out and grab your own copy of this zine and check out more of his photography. Thank you so much for sending this to me, Brett. And if you guys want us to do a review of any of your zines, do send us a message. We're coinoperatedpress@gmail.com for our emails, and we're at coinopepress on all of the socials: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Discord, everything. You can just send us a message wherever you want. Even on this YouTube, you can drop a comment down below, and we will be more than happy to check out and review your zine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and do be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more zine reviews from us and a lot more zine content. But that's all from me for today, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!